One of the most incredible things about what I do is the feeling of walking onto the stage, just watching the crowd erupt, shaking hands with people, laughing, seeing the joy on people's faces and just helping them celebrate their beautiful moments. My name is Enkromelle Andrew. I'm a corporate Master of Ceremonies and keynote speaker. I have to date had the privilege to host some of the most high-profile corporate events and speak about resilience through my interactive keynotes and training workshops. I became a professional speaker as a way to escape an environment that was difficult at home. My mother left my father when I was about 2 years old. I was raised by an absent father and stepmothers. Faced with these difficult circumstances, I sought refuge and solace in after-school activities, and that for me was public speaking. Finances have always been a daunting and quite frankly overwhelming topic for me. As a business owner, when you remove the convenience of earning monthly to being the one who has to pay people monthly, you quickly realize that it's very important that you have strict discipline. I figure out a lot of things as I go. I mostly use the principles from one of my favorite books by Greg McKeown called Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less. It's not a finance book, but its life principles basically encourage us to identify and prioritize the most important things, leading to greater clarity, effectiveness, and fulfillment. And that's literally all I do. I take care of the essentials. And based on this book again, the second lesson I want to give to you is pay everything in advance. In my line of work, every month is not always a good one. Sometimes I can go for a month or two without a contract commitment, and that used to put me in a very tough financial position. And I say used to because now I always ensure my business and my personal expenses are paid upfront or in advance. This way I live a completely stress-free life, knowing that the important things such as rent, Wi-Fi, subscriptions, any important services are paid upfront, at least 6 or 12 months ahead of time. It also freed up a lot of room for me to address other unplanned financial issues should they arise. By incorporating essentialism into financial decisions, you can simplify your financial life, you can gain clarity, you can focus on what truly matters. So define your financial priorities, eliminate the non-essential expenses, and regularly assess and adjust your strategies. Embracing essentialism will not only lead to a better financial outcome, but it also provide you with a sense of fulfillment and purpose, and help you align with your financial decisions, with your most financial goals and values, so that the next time you find yourself debating whether you should buy this or that, whether you should pay for this or rather pay for that, I want you to ask yourself a question. Is it essential?